All right, guys, I want to show you something. The other day I was working with a gentleman and I had a clog in this bar here. Actually, that bar, I'm sorry. And within 2 seconds, I came back and he says, "What'd you do?" I said, "I just swapped the bars out." I don't bother unclogging tips in the field. It's a pain in the ass. It just doesn't work. Plus, I always keep a couple different tips for the Classic. I keep this here is a 10 gallon a minute, but I have 16 gallon a minute tips. That's what I use on it. That's what my gauge indicates is the best for this. But what I do use is I use a 40 degree, which sprays to the skirts, and I use a 25 degree. 25 degree, I use for more aggressive, blowing dirt and, sand out of pavers and so forth. And then my 40 degree for decks and all gentle stuff. But we got the 36 here. And I want to show you something. Normally, when you swap the bar out, this here is a new bar, okay? You'll see where it says Do Wrap Teflon, and it comes with this adapter, right? This adapter here. What I do is I use a brass adapter. Now, the reason why it says Do Teflon is because this here is straight pipe thread. This screws into here. And this is straight thread, not national pipe thread, not tapered, okay? That's why on the swivel you have to put some type of Teflon on there. I moved over to these brass ones. Now, if you notice, this brass one is shorter than this one. You have to grind down on the belt sander about 2 threads and then throw a die on it and redo it. The reason why is, if you look inside here, there's a hole. If you leave this long, this will start covering the hole. The reason why I found that out is I just knew it made sense, and I ended up taking out these on the end and looking through it, and if you leave this alone, it will cover the hole slightly. So take it down 2 threads, retap it, re-dye it, and then take this here. You have to put Teflon tape on the swivel, okay? And go ahead and put this on, and you don't need any Teflon tape at all because this is pipe thread. It'll screw right into here, and you won't need any thread. And it's a lot easier to spin off. I mean, you just take one wrench. You just take your, what is it here, a 7/8 wrench, throw it on here, and just spin the whole bar off and spin the whole bar on. Like I said, we have extra, well, we don't put the adapter on here, but extra bars for this, and I got 3 or 4 extra bars for this. Now, this is the Mosmatic bar, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put a little a link or in the description what part number you need for the Whisper Wash Classic for a Whisper Wash bar. I mean, for the Mosmatic bar. I like it. Seems like it spins a lot more efficient. You hit things with it. It doesn't. You could bend it back easier. It just seems like it performs better. But yes, these little adapters here. Plus, guys have also said that, number one, see how they rust up inside? That rust inside will also get your nozzles clogged. Also, you hit a stair corner, which we all do. It will bend the bar before it breaks this off. These will snap right off before you bend the bar or break a swivel. I know. So, discard this. Go get yourself, you get on Amazon, whatever it is, it's just a 3/8 adapter. These are both pipe thread. Where these here is straight thread. That's why you need Teflon on both. Put Teflon on the swivel, screw this down as hard as you can, and then this here will self-lock onto here. You don't need no Teflon tape in the field. Swap out bars real quick. Get back to work. All right, guys, I hope this helps you out.